local licensed insurance counselor. I want to spend a couple minutes talking about how families build lasting financial stability. This is episode 4 in my whole life series. I call this one Why Some People Prefer Whole Life Over Traditional Banks. Most people assume that the safest place to keep money is in a bank. But what if there were another financial tool that allowed you to store money, grow it steadily, and access it when you need it, all without asking a bank for permission? That's what I want to talk about today. When it comes to saving and protecting money, traditional banks have limitations. First, the interest rates on most savings accounts are pretty darn modest. Second, whatever interest you do earn is taxed every year. And third, the protection has real limits. The FDIC only protects $250,000 per depositor per bank. On top of that, banks themselves are not immune to instability. Did you know that since the year 2000, literally hundreds of banks in the United States alone have closed? Whole life insurance works very differently. When a properly structured and funded whole life policy is in place, it can safeguard wealth, grow cash value over time, and provide predictable access to your money. It's important to understand that properly structured whole life insurance is not really designed to be an investment. They work with investments. A better way to think about whole life is that is as if it is like a highly structured savings tool. You can withdraw money or you can borrow money against the policy. You can borrow your cash value as the collateral, and the insurance company issues a loan. There's no credit check, and the only requirement is that you have cash value available in the policy. In fact, this concept has been used by some well-known entrepreneurs. Walt Disney borrowed against the cash value of his life insurance while starting Disneyland. Ray Kroc used cash value from his policies when he was expanding McDonald's. And Doris Christopher used a small policy loan from her whole life insurance to start what later became known as the Pampered Chef. If you'd like to explore how properly structured whole life insurance can provide both protection and financial flexibility for you, let's start up a conversation. I am Wayne Haney, your local licensed insurance counselor. Thanks for watching.